Another satisfied client, another trust done deal today. And syempre, every unit we release goes through a full inspection and test drive.
Mao ni sa sir eh, atong pandaron sir.
To make sure nga limpyo, verified, ug ready na para sa next niya owner. From inquiry to processing, we make every step nga smooth ug transparent. And this is it. Another satisfied client, another trust done deal today. So thank you for trusting and choosing us, sir. And next, imo na sa dato ang next i-release. So i-message ko karon para sa mga available units.